Hello, Eagles. It's Keroy here. How is everybody doing? Today, I want to read for you a poem on page 33, In Love with Another. This poem was inspired by the realization that the love we want to give out there is just a love we are craving for ourselves. So before you give love out there, first love on yourself, feel yourself, be, give from a full cup rather than a depleted cup. In love with another. I once loved a man, loved him so hard that my obsessive thought rippled across the seas, only to realize the love I have for him was meant for me. By loving myself, I can love him deeply. By seeing myself, I can see him truthfully. By trusting myself, I can trust him with our love. By believing in myself, I can believe love never fails. No more longing, no more fear, no more doubt, only love in its purest form. In love with another, only to love myself deeper. Love is freedom, patient and kind, gentle and harmonic, expansive and intuitive. Love grows and evolves, creating magic along the creating magic along the earthly creations and beyond. Let the love you have for others be directed to you first. Feel the freedom. Enlarge your heart, spread your wings, and let love win. Well, love on yourself first, and from the overflow, love on others. As always, it's Keroy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.